Ladies and gentlemen, we're here at Tiffin Aviation Services with Christian David. David, Christian, where are you from?
I'm from Indonesia.
Okay, well, what have you done here at Tiffin Aviation over the years?
Well, I've done the course of everything from zero to multi-engine.
Uh-huh.
Mm-hmm.
So that's what all those stripes are on your shirt?
Oh, yes, it is.
That means private, instrument, commercial, and multi-engine, right?
Yeah, you name all of that.
One for each. So the captains get to wear the 4 stripes, right?
Mm-hmm.
All right. Well, you're on your way. You're on your way to that. Tell me about this multi-engine airplane a little bit.
Well, multi-engine airplane, of course, it has 2 engines, which is it's safer than just 1 engine.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, and it's complex, but you'll get it there.
And what kind of airplane is this?
It's a Seneca.
Seneca, I
Yeah.
see. Piper Seneca.
Yes.
Okay. Well, have you enjoyed flying here?
Yeah,
Yeah.
for sure.
It's a good place?
It's a good place.
Yeah.
The weather's sometimes pretty bad, but yeah.
Sometimes we get a lot of wind, don't
Yes.
we? Yeah, like today. All
Yeah,
right.
like today.
Well, would you like to say anything to your family back home in Indonesia?
Well,
In your language?
untuk teman-teman aviasi di sana, ya jangan mimpilah setinggi-tingginya supaya kalian bisa mencapai mimpi kalian, dan mimpi itu gratis. So, yeah.
All through?
Selamat berjuang. That's it.
Okay. Would you like to say anything to anybody else that might be watching this video?
Well, aviation is cool. That's it.
Good enough. Okay, thank you, Christian. It's been a pleasure working with you.
Yeah, thank you too.
Okay, bye-bye.